Hi all, welcome back to Tech Stack Learning channel. So I hope you have watched my all previous sessions around the generative AI and different types of prompting. Today I am going to talk about like seventh type of prompting, that is role-based prompting. So before we start the session, if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any specific topics which you want me to cover on the generative AI, please go ahead and post it in the comment. I can surely get you those accordingly. Okay, so today's we are diving into the practical concept of GenAI, that is role-based prompting. So here, imagine being able to tailor responses from AI by simply assigning it to a specific role, whether it's a teacher or a chef or even a software engineer, right? So this basically helps you get focused, context aware and highly relevant responses. Okay, basically saving time and enhancing productivity. So here we will try to explore as much as unique examples of role-based prompting, showing you how to unlock the full potential of GenAI for a variety of use cases. So let's jump in, guys. Okay, so first role I'm going to take is teacher role. I have all the examples kept ready, so I'll just use that here. So here I'm telling that you are a math teacher for high school students. Explain the Pythagorean theorem in simple terms. Okay, this basically directs the AI to provide educational content in a clear, structured, and student-friendly manner. If you see, sure. So this has given the entire things, which is very friendly for the students, right? You see this. This has given explanations. This has given everything in a detailed manner. Okay. Next one, I think I will go with a chef role, where I'm going to tell you are a professional chef specializing in Italian cuisine. So I'm giving a role to the GenAI that he's very specifically on the Italian cuisine. Provide a step-by-step recipe for authentic carbonara. Okay, so here this is going to give you the authentic Italian carbonara recipe. Okay, so it gives you what all ingredients and the step-by-step instructions it has to for the preparations. Okay, so this is the another role which we that is the chef role. Okay, next could be we can ask GenAI to play a travel guide role. Okay, so you are a travel guide in Paris. Recommend hidden gems that tourists often miss, right? So here, it gives you a very specific. He's a travel guide for the Paris alone, right? So it gives you the relevant travel recommendations, like location specific and unique travel tips as part of this role and the responses which comes in, right? It gives you the tip as well. Okay, next, assume a financial role, right? Assume you are a financial advisor. Okay, so provide budgeting tips for someone earning $50,000 a year. Okay, so here what happens is it helps the GenAI offer a financial guidance tailored to a specific income bracket. Okay, so we have given a restriction. It's like an instruction based or the rule based also. It's a combination here along with the role based prompting. Okay. Next, historian role. Basically, we can say that you are a historian specialization in uh, Europe. Explain the significance of the Magna Carta. Okay, so here what happens is it encourages the detailed historical context and analysis from GenAI. So it has given you the detailed details of what we have asked or about the history of the Magna Carta. Okay, next role we can think about fitness trainer role. Okay, so everybody is interested in the being very fit, so we can ask an AI, you are a certified fitness trainer, suggest a beginner friendly workout plan for weight loss. Okay, So here it's a combination of role with instruction based prompting as well. Okay, so it has given you the 7 days workout plan. See, it has given you the 3 to 4 days week durations and day one, day two, day three, day four breakup. Okay, next main important, I think next role we all are aware of is the software engineer role. So here also we can say you are a Node.js developer. Explain how to use the event emitter module effectively. So here it is very specifically we are telling you are a Node.js developer. So there are any other role as well, like it could be a Angular developer, it could be any other Java developer, right? So here I have specified Node.js developer, and how accordingly give me the instructions on how to use the event emitter. So you can see it is very specific to the Node.js coding. Okay. Next, I think we can ask genai to be a marketing expert role. Okay, so here we can see you are a digital marketing strategist. Provide tips for improving SEO on a blog. Okay, so it will act like a digital marketing strategist and gives you the list of tips for improving the search engine optimization. Okay, so it has given you a lot of details about how to optimize the SEO. Okay, this is about marketing expert role. Then we can go for anything related to the legal advisor role. So maybe you can say you are a corporate lawyer, okay, and explain the basics of forming an LLC in the United States, right? So here what happens is it plays as a corporate lawyer and it gives you the details around that. Okay. Okay. So next, I think we can go for any like maybe we can take it up as a scientist role. Okay, so let's see. You are a physicist, so explain the concept of black holes to a general audience, right? So it has given you the relevant details about it. Okay. So, last one we can say is about the language tutor role. Okay, so what we can say is you are a Spanish language tutor. Teach basic greetings and common phrases for beginners. Okay, so here it's again combination of role with the instructions of telling that you have to give it for the beginners. Okay, so this has given you the details. So this is how basically the role based prompting works. So basically you are assigning a specific role. The AI focus on the persona, expertise and communication style expecting that role. Okay, so this actually leads to more accurate, contextual and engaging responses. If you let me know if you would like to me to detailed examples for any of these roles, please put it in the comment box. I can surely get you those examples as another session, which will be detailed enough. Okay. Okay. So That wraps up our exploration of role-based prompting. So, as we have seen, assigning roles to the GenAI unlocks a lot of possibilities across industries, from technical topics to crafting creative content, right? So, by tailoring this prompt to specific roles, we ensure the clarity and the relevance and also the accuracy in the responses, right? This is basically a game changer for developers, marketers, educators, and more. So try these examples in your project and see the responses which comes in from the GenAI. Okay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming sessions on generative AI. See you in the next session. Thank you.